3 ways to organize your spice rack. Start by decanting spices into uniform spice containers. Buy pre-made labels or print your own. The first option is drawer storage. This cut-to-fit foam roll is great for any size kitchen drawer. Non-slip foam keeps bottles in place. The second option is tiered risers. This riser expands to custom fit within your cabinet. The third way to set up your spice rack is with turntables. This option ensures that spice bottles don't get lost in the back of your cabinet.